which requires an individual to pay a fixed later is called as what? Bill. This is bill. The simple interest calculated on present value is called as true discount. On face value, all of you know what is meant by face value? The value present on the bill, or the value what you get after the maturity of the bill is called as face value. Bankers gain the difference between banker's discount and true discount. The formula, what is the formula? P is equal to F by 1 plus T. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with a new chapter, that is bill discounting, which plays important role in commercial mathematics. So dear students, very first thing is the concept of what is a bill. What is a bill means the document which required an individual to pay a fixed later date is called as bill. Means suppose a bill of say rupees. So it will have a drawn date, means dated on 2019 and matures after, say they will tell matures after what is called as say 6/8/19, means this is a drawn date and he will get money later, say rupees of say 8,000. This is a bill amount. We call this as face value. I have drawn a simple bill. This is the face value of the bill, 8,000 rupees, and it is drawn on 2nd February 2019 and it will get matured on 6/8/19, means 6 months 4 days it will get matured. So conclusion is right now it's due. So that's why the document, this document we call it as bill, which requires an individual to pay a fixed later is called as what? Bill. This is bill. Now what is discount? Suppose I want the cash now for 8,000 rupees. This is drawn on 2/2. Suppose I will get this is legally due date. Before that, if I want to take money, then bankers will discount this. They will not pay 8,000 rupees to you. They will pay a little less than 8,000 by calculating interest. They will deduct the interest, and that we say discount. When a bill is cashed in advance, so before it is legally due date, before it gets matured, if you want to draw the amount, then bankers will discount. The amount that is deducted is called as discount. And similarly, true discount. The simple interest calculated on present value is called as true discount. So dear students, I told one small story, that is a bill and dated on the date of the bill is on what? 2/2/19 and rupees 8,000 and it is matures after the bill period. They will tell legally due date they will give, it will become matured after 6th August 19. So before this, suppose now for this true discount, the real discount that anybody should do is called as true discount. True discount is a simple interest calculated on the present value. So now face value is 8,000, but today's value, suppose if I want to take it on 3rd March 19, 3rd March 19 means before it matures. On that date, what is its value? We call it as present value. On present value, if you calculate the discount, we call it as true discount. True discount is PTR, present value of the bill into time period into rate of interest. So true interest. So simple interest on the present value of the bill is called as true discount. What is true discount formula? PTR. What is P? Present value of the bill. See, on the bill whatever they have written, that is face value. First you should calculate present value. And how to calculate present value of the bill? Present value is less than face value. Face value by 1 plus TR. If you use this formula, you will get present value. Means 8,000 divided by 1 plus time period into rate of interest. If you calculate, you will get present value. For that present value, again if you calculate simple interest, that is true discount. True discount is the simple interest calculated on the present value. Similarly, banker's discount. Banker always wants profit. So his business is with bill, means he want to get profit. So what he'll do? He'll discount more than true discount and he will discount on face value. Banker will discount on what value? Face value. That's why banker's discount is FTR. It is a simple interest on face value. Banker's discount is always face value will be greater than present value. Face value means after maturity how much you get. the amount, that is face value. Before maturity, whatever the amount you want to take, that is present value, the present worth. Present worth will not be the face value. So for present worth, if you calculate interest, that is true discount. But banker will not calculate interest on present value, will calculate on face value. So FTR, so banker's discount is FDR, so that he'll get a gain, that we call it as banker's gain. Banker's gain is what? Banker's discount minus true discount. He'll discount little more than true discount. Means he is calculating interest. He is also calculating interest on what? Face value. So now you know what is banker's discount. Banker's discount is the simple interest on face value, that's why FTR. What is true discount? This is simple interest on present value, PTR. What is present value? Present value is less than face value, that is 1 plus TR. And banker will get gain, that we say banker's gain. Banker's gain is banker's discount minus true discount. So these are the three basics which we need to calculate. And legally due date. Legally due date, when the bill gets matured. So legally due date is, so drawn date, LDD means legally due date. For that you take drawn date, whatever the date they draw the bill, drawn date plus bill period. So drawn date plus bill period. For bill period will add 3 grace days. So add all these things, drawn date plus bill period plus grace days. So these three put together we call it as what? Legally due date. Legally due date is drawn date plus bill period plus 3 grace days. So that's what we'll do. So legally due date is bill period, whatever. For that you add the bill period to the drawn date and add 3 days extra grace. That gives you legally due date. Now we'll go to the problems. Before we go to the problems, just let me summarize. So always on the bill, whatever the amount is mentioned is face value. So face value is the amount of the bill. Face value is amount of the bill. For that, if you want to calculate present value is face value divided by 1 plus TR. Then banker will do discount on face value, FTR. And true discount is discount calculated on present value, PTR. And banker always will gain, and the banker's gain can be calculated as what is called as BD minus TD. And face value can also be calculated as BD into TD divided by BG. This is also a formula. And then, so BD, TD, BG, F, and these are the formula should be thorough with. And legally due date, how to calculate legally due date? So first you take drawn date, for that drawn date add bill period for bill period plus 3 days extra, 3 grace days will say. Drawn date plus period of the bill plus 3 days, that gives you legally due date. So dear students, what is the banker's discount? It is a simple interest on face value, FTR. What is true discount? It is a simple interest on present value. Present value will be always less than face value. So true discount is PTR. And present value to calculate, we have a format. What is that? Face value by 1 plus TR. Then banker's gain is what? Banker's discount minus true discount. And face value can also be calculated as product of the discounts. Banker's discount, true discount divided by what? Banker's gain. So all these things. And the story is simple. So if a bill, suppose, if I take a bill, so it is drawn on particular date, that date they'll mention, say 5/2/2020, this is the date of the bill. And amount of the bill we call it as face value, amount of the bill say 10,000 rupees, and after 8 months, so bill period is 8 months they'll tell. After 8 months means when it will become legally due date, for 5/2/2020 you should add 8 months. So 6 months if you add, so it will become 5/8/2020 plus 3 grace days. 3 grace days if you add, 8/8/2020 it will get matured. 8/8/2020 if you present you will get 10,000 rupees. Before that if you want, then it will have, before that it will not have 10,000. So suppose if I want after 4 months, on 4th month, what is its value is called as present value. To calculate present value, we use the formula F by 1 plus TR, face value divided by 1 plus TR. And further, banker's discount is calculated on the face value, true discount is calculated on the present value, and banker's gain is BD minus TD. First, you write the formula and become thorough. Then only you should start the problems. So bill will have certain amount. The amount written on the bill is called as face value, and that value will be getting, you will be getting after maturity. Before maturity, If you want to take the amount, then you should go to a banker. If you present to the banker, he will do banker's discount and remaining amount he will give to you. He will not give face value. And what he will do, he will calculate interest. What is the interest calculated? That is PTR, FTR, face value into time period into rate. He will calculate, he will deduct that amount, remaining he will give. So all this formula become thorough. So just let me summarize. So two types of discounts. What is the first discount? BD. What is BD, dear students? FTR, face value into time period. Second one is what? TD. What is TD? True discount. That is PTR. And what is P? Present value. What is present value? Face value divided by 1 plus TR. And fourth important formula is face value can also be calculated in terms of BD and TD. BD into TD divided by BG, where what is BG? BG is banker's gain. How to calculate banker's gain? BD minus TD, and then legally due date. What is LDD? Take drawn date, add what? For drawn date add what? Bill period. For the bill period add what? 3 grace days. Then the date whatever you get, that is called as LDD, legally due date. Now going ahead, define legally due date. See, legally due date is legally due date is defined as sum of drawn date and bill period plus 3 days. So legally due date, you can write the formula is equal to what? Drawn date, on what date it is drawn, plus for that you should add bill period, you write in words, plus 3 days grace. 3 days grace. So what is LDD? LDD is what? DD plus BP plus 3. So legally due date is drawn date plus bill period plus 3 days. Now this is the definition, we have done it. And a bill was drawn on 14/3/2013, 3 months. What is when does bill fall legally due? See, drawn date. What is drawn date, dear students? They have given drawn date. Drawn date, DD I can write. What is drawn date? 14th March 2013. They gave in the format. What is the format they gave? Day, month, year. 2013. When does it? So bill period 3 months they told. So add 3 months. So bill period. Bill period should be added. 3 months in the place of months you add, plus then 3 grace days. For 3 days also should add. So grace is how much? 3 days. Now 14 plus 3 is 17, and 6 for third 3 months. If you add another 3 months, it will become 6 months, and 2013. So it will fall due on what? 17/6/2013. So they want legally due date. You got. So legally due date is equal to 17th June 2013. You understood? So we added 3 months because bill period they mentioned. What is the bill period? 3 months. So for the months you add 3, and grace you should add 3 days. For days 14 days plus 3 17 days. That's it. When you add, if it is crossing 12, then you should go to the next year. For 1 year we'll have 12 months. Then define true discount. What is true discount? True discount is the simple interest calculated on present value. So they want you to define it. We'll define it. So true discount. They want you to define true discount. What is true discount? So TD formula, TD is what? PTR. PTR means what? Simple interest. It is the simple interest. Calculated on present value. Simple interest calculated on present value. So now true discount, and a bill drawn on 3 months was legally due. Find the date of drawing. So they gave legally due date. What is given? LDD. Legally due date is given. What is the legally due date given, children? So 18/8/2012. 18/8/2012. This is given. Then find the drawing date. 3 months. Bill period is also given. What is the bill period they mentioned? They gave clearly bill period is exactly 3 months, drawn for 3 months, they told 3 months. And then what they want? Drawn date. So date of drawing they want drawn date. So dear students, I call it as LDD short form. I'll call this BP, bill period, and I call this as DD. So now we have a format. What is the format? Legally due date is drawn date, wherever we draw, plus bill period plus 3 days. Now you need drawn date. So rearrange. So what we'll do, from legally drawn date DD is equal to, transfer all the terms to this side. From legally due date, subtract bill period and subtract 3 days. That's it. So now what is the legally due date? 18/8/2012. What is the bill period? 3 months we should subtract now, and 3 days I should subtract. So if I do that, so 8 minus 3 gives you 5 months, 5th month. 18 minus 3 gives you 15. 15/5/2012. So this is the drawn date. Is drawn date. Hope all of you got this. On what day the bill is drawn? Bill is drawn on 15th May 2012. Now define banker's discount. Again, it is a simple interest calculated on what? Face value. Banker want to discount more and you want to gain. So therefore, what is banker's discount? BD, simple, in the format formula FTR, means banker's discount they want. So banker's discount is, it is the simple interest on face value. All of you know what is meant by face value? The value present on the bill, or the value what you get after the maturity of the bill, is called as face value. So now find the banker's discount on rupees 900 due 5 months, hence at 16% they go. So what is given? First you write what is given. So rupees 900 is called as face value. So face value is rupees 900, and 16% per annum. Rate of interest they give 16%, 16/100, and they want you to calculate a due 5 months. 5 months means what? So time period is 5/12. See, they gave in months. You know, for 1 year we have 12 months. So divided by 12. So always year should be, time should be in years. So they gave in months, I calculated in years. 5 months means 5/12 years. So now they want banker's discount. This is given face value of the bill, that is 900 rupees, and banker's discount, you know, simple interest on face value, FTR. What is F? 900. What is time period? 5/12. 5 months, that is 5/12 years, into interest 16/100. So 2 zeros cancels. Simplify further. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. No, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So what is left out? 3 into 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 60. So banker's discount is rupees 60. Dear students, for the same problem you calculate true discount, it will be less than this. Then define banker's gain. Banker's gain is the difference between banker's discount and true discount. So what is banker's gain? Banker's gain is the difference between banker's discount and true discount. So we say banker's gain. I want you to define banker's gain. So I wrote the formula. The formula you write it in format. So banker's gain is what? What is this? Minus means difference. So it is the difference. It is what? Difference between what and what? It is the difference between banker's discount and true discount. Banker's discount and true discount. Further, so bill of rupees 415 due 9 months. So bill face value they give. What is the face value they give? Rupees 415. It is due what? After 9 months. So time period they give 9 months. I told you if it is months, calculate it into years by dividing 12. And hence 15% per annum. So time period also, sorry, rate of interest is also given 15%, 15 by 100, and further they want you to calculate what? Bankers gain. They want BD again. What is BD? Bankers discount. What is bankers discount? FTR. What is FTR? F is 415 into time is 9 by 12, rate of interest 15 by 100. Simplify this. So simplify this. 3 3s are 3, 4s are 12, and now we are left out with, okay, 5 2s are 20, so 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, 15 3s are 83 into 3, 83 into 3, 9 divided by 4. So simplify this. 4 1s, 4 2s are 8, 4 20s are 3 means 0.30, 30 means 7, 28, 5 into 9. Multiply this. Face value 415 rupees, time period 9 by 12, rate of interest 15 by 100. So they want you to calculate on 415 rupees, that's it. So 15% they told, okay. 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are, again 5 8s are 40, 15 means 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, so 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, so you are left out with 83 into 3 3s are 9 divided by 4 4s are 16. Simplify this. 9 3s are okay, 9 3s are 27, 2 8 9s are 9 8 is 72, 72 plus 7, 44 by 16. So use calculator, simplify this further, you will get this many rupees. This is what? FTR. Use calculator and simplify. Then find the present value for rupees 750. So you know they give face value. Present value is what? F divided by 1 plus T into R. What is the face value? They give rupees 750. 1 plus what is the time period? 15. Time period is what? 4 months. 4 by 12 into rate of interest is 15%. Simplify this. 4 1s are 4 3s are 750 divided by 1 plus 3 1s are 3 5s are 1 plus 5 by 100. Further, if you simplify, P is equal to, you can 750 divided by 1 plus 5, 1 by it will become 20, 750 into 20 divided by 21 it will be. Simplify this. 3 7s are, or yeah, 3 7s are, 3 2s are 6, 15, 3 5s are 0, 25 into 20, 50, 5000 divided by 7, 7 7s are 49, 10, 7 1s are 30, 4 28, 28 means 20, 2s are 14, goes 14, so it will be left out with 660. So 7 is a 49, 7 8 is a, so it goes on. So you can use calculator and get exact value. 714 point some rupees is the present value. Use the formula. What is the formula? P is equal to F by 1 plus TR. Okay, now we'll go to the question number 6. True discount on a bill is rupees 100, means they give true discount, that is rupees 100. And bankers gain, they give BG, they give rupees 10. What is the face value they want? They want face value. See, if you want face value, first calculate banker's discount. So we have a formula, BG is equal to BD minus TD. So first get BD. What is BD? It will become BG minus TD goes that side, BG plus TD. So banker's discount is banker's gain plus true discount. What is a banker's gain? 10 rupees. What is a true discount? So true discount is, they give 100, 110, 110 is the banker's discount. Once you get banker's discount, go to the face value. What is the face value? BD into TD by BG. What is BD? Bankers discount, we got 110 into what is 2 discount, they gave 100 rupees divided by what is BG they give, BG is 10 rupees they give, so divided by 10, 0, 0 cancels, so 1100 is the face value of the bill. What is the face value? 1100. I hope all of you understood this. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.